Tens of thousands of you have been put at risk thanks to the latest heist pulled by copper thieves. KMBC 9's Martin Augustine has this story from near I-435 and 152 Highway in Platte County. Martin?
3 times over the last 3 weeks, thieves have hit these telephone lines here, ripping out hundreds of feet of copper wire. And in doing so, they've jeopardized the safety of people living in a 75 square mile area of Platte County.
This is where all of our station alerting is.
Chris Denny is showing us the guts of a very important part
Bumper 29 with medic 35.
of how the Southern Platte Fire Protection District works to protect more than 35,000 people in this part of the Kansas City area. Emergency alerts come in on these wires, dispatching firefighters and medics to emergencies. But those alerts can't come in nearly as quickly if phone lines are cut. Even worse, another area near here, the copper thieves cut through fiber optic cables, slowing response times even more. How slow? Perhaps only a few seconds.
All seconds are critical.
But in a business where every second matters, it's not hard to imagine how a delay in getting emergency responders out the door, a delay brought on because of copper theft, puts lives at risk.
But if it takes us longer to get notified, then it just decreases that time that we're they're on scene taking care of the patient.
The copper thefts, all coming in quick succession, are becoming, firefighters say, very tiresome, especially knowing that outside of catching the thieves in the act, it's difficult to stop them. If the copper thieves ever are caught, they will face felony charges. Martin Augustine, KMBC 9 News.
Martin, thank you. Repairs on the copper wiring happen fairly quickly, but in this latest incident involving the fiber optic cables, repairs took several hours.